Welcome back to our channel, the ultimate place for wedding business owners to refine their business and grow their sales. I'm Katie.
And I'm Roxy. Today we're diving into one key change that you can make in your sales process that is going to completely transform your wedding business.
Let's face it, how many times have you sent out your pricing or responded to inquiries only to get ghosted? It's frustrating, right?
Or worse, you finally do get a response, but all they want to do is haggle over your price. Is this sounding familiar? If it does, you are definitely in the right place. This is such a common problem that we see all the time, and we are here to help you fix it.
Here's the thing, responding to inquiries with just your pricing or jumping straight into answering questions just isn't enough in 2025. You need a process that not only answers their questions, but also shows potential clients your value even before price becomes a question.
Enter the client consultation call, or as we like to call it, the ultimate sales tool. This simple tweak to your sales process can turn lukewarm leads into loyal clients, often without offering any discounts or anything like that.
When we started our bridal shop, we used to respond with a quick price list and scope of what our dresses were worth, and we would hope for the best. But guess what? It just wasn't working when it came to booking those appointments.
So we ramped things up, starting with consultation calls. And let me tell you, it was a game changer. Over time, we refined our method, booked hundreds of clients, and built a six-figure business, all because we changed how we approach sales.
And here's why the consultation call is so effective. It's not just a sales pitch, it's about really connecting with your couple. When you hop on a video call or sit down face to face, you're building trust, you can answer questions, and you can also talk about your expertise in real time.
Plus, when you show clients the value you bring, whether it's the experience, the personalization, or your attention to detail, they're less likely to focus on the price and more likely to see you as the obvious choice.
One of our coaching clients, Amy, was struggling with ghosted inquiries. Does this sound familiar? Now, we walked her through our consultation call process and our 5-step sales strategy, and in just 1 month, she booked 4 out of 5 inquiries.
Another client, Taylor, was brand new to her wedding business and was feeling overwhelmed. After implementing our method, she booked 10 weddings in just 2 months, all at her full price as well.
So how do you get started with this? So first, when you respond to an inquiry, don't just send packages and pricing, invite them onto a call instead. A simple message like, I'd love to hop on a quick call to hear all about your vision for your wedding day and to see whether we're the right fit works wonders.
Then when you're on the call, keep it casual but professional. Start by asking them about their wedding and their story. It's all about them first. Then show them how you can help bring their vision to life.
And don't forget to have your pricing or an idea of your pricing ready, but only introduce it once they understand your value. By that point, they've had time to get emotionally invested with working with you.
If you've been struggling to convert leads into bookings, this one change alone can make all the difference. But like any skill, it's going to take a little practice.
So if you're ready to level up your sales and turn inquiries into loyal clients, start implementing consultation calls today.
And if you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button so you never miss a tip to grow your wedding business again.
We can't wait to see how you use this and how it can transform your bookings. Let us know in the comments if you're going to give consultation calls a try, and we'd love to hear all your success stories.
See you on the next video.